Welcome back. Here we are going to discuss about the construction of LALR parsing table. In the previous class, we discussed about canonical LR parsing table. Here we introduce our last parser construction method, that is LALR method. This method is often used in practice because the tables obtained by this method are considerably smaller than the canonical LR tables. So this method is used in most of the common syntactic constructs of programming languages. Since the table size is smaller than the canonical method, it is much easier and more economical to construct this LALR tables. We already know that in canonical LR parsing table, LR of 1 items is used, and here in LALR parsing table, so it uses LR of 0 items. And here also we are going to find the collection of set of items in the same way how we found for canonical LR. But the only difference between the canonical LR collection of items and the LALR collection of items are, so whenever we are getting the same set of items, okay, but with different look ahead symbols. Okay, whenever we are getting same set of items with different look ahead symbols, so we need to take those set of items as a different set, right? So we need to consider that set also. And but here when we come to LALR, so we are just going to combine those two sets. Okay, so why? Because the items are same, the set of items are similar, but the difference is only in the look ahead symbols. Okay, only the look ahead symbol varies in that set. So if that is the case, then we are going to combine those two sets. Okay, so that is what we are going to do in this LALR canonical LR of 0 items. So for this purpose, we are going to refer the previous canonical LR items. Okay, so from that we are going to combine the items. Okay, so let us consider the same example. Okay, and for that example already augmented grammar is formed. Okay, so this is the previous canonical LR grammar. Okay, and we found all the sets, right? So this is LR1 sets and it contains number of items, right? Set of items, that is from I0 to I9. So we are going to take the same set and we are going to combine the sets that is repeating, okay, with the different look ahead symbols. So if that is the case, starting from I0, so when we take this I0 here, there is no repetition of the state I0 with the different look ahead symbols, right? So just leaving, I mean taking I0 as it is, right? So I'm just taking I0 here as it is. So if you see here, I have taken I0 as it is from the canonical LR. Then coming to next I1. So coming to I1, again there is no repetition of this item I1, right? So again taking same I1. So I'm taking I1 as it is. Then coming to I2. So when we see I2 here, in I2 also there is no repetition, that is S implies C dot C. So likewise we don't have any other set of items, right? So like I2 we don't have any other set of items. So again I'm taking I2 as it is. So I2 is taken as it is. Then coming to I3. So when we check I3, so here we can see the repetition, the set of items in I3 and the set of items in I6. So here if we see the items, so all the items are same here, but the difference is only in the look ahead symbol. So here the look ahead symbol used is dollar and here the look ahead symbol is CRD, right? So here these two set of items are same with the different look ahead symbols. So what we are going to do now is, here we are going to combine these two items, that is I3 and I6. So after combining this, how this state becomes is like this. Okay, so the item becomes I36. So I'm combining the item 3 and 6. So I36, and if you see here, Here also we combined the lookahead symbols, right? So C bar D bar dollar. This is how we can minimize. Okay, this is how we can combine the items here. Then coming to I4, again in I4 if we see, so I4 and I7 are common, right? So with the different look ahead symbol, so now we need to combine I4 and I7. So when we combine I4 and I7, so this becomes I47. So when we see here, now the new item is I47, so which contains C implies D dot and the look ahead symbols are CRD or dollar. And then coming to I5, so when we see I5 there is no repetitions in I5. And coming to I6, again when we see I6, it is already combined with I3, so just no need to take this again. Again coming to I7, it is also already combined with I4. Then coming to I8, so when we see I8 and I9, okay, so these two are same with different look ahead symbols. So now what we can do is we can combine these two items. So I89, and at last we got I89 with the look ahead symbols CRD or dollar. Okay, so now we got all the items. Okay, by combining the similar items we got this new items, right? So now with these new items we are going to construct the parsing table by the same way. Okay, by the same way whatever we have done for the previous, that is canonical LR parsing table construction. So the same way we are going to construct this table. So what are all the states we are going to take is 0 1 2. So here we combined the states, so 3 6 4 7 5 8 9. And as usual actions are C D dollar and go to is S and C. So for this also we can refer the same canonical LR parsing table. Okay, so by taking this canonical LR parsing table we can combine the states. First, in the 0th state position there is no changes, right? So we didn't combine any state in 0. So what we are doing is we are taking same items here, right? In 0, okay, so what we are doing is for C and D we are doing shift, right? S3 and S4. So here also we are taking same S3 and S4, but still here we have combined this 3 with 6 and here we combined the state 4 with 7. So whenever 3 and 4 is coming, then we need to replace the 3 and 4 with 3 6 and 4 7, right? So why? Because now the new item is 3 6 instead of 3 and 4 7 instead of 4. Not only for 3 and 4, if we have S6, okay, at that position also we need to replace S6 with S36. And when we have S7, that position also should be replaced with S47, right? So we have to replace the old item with new items. And in the same way we have done for this 0th. And coming to first state, so here we have only acceptance, so only accept is there. Then coming to second state, in second state we have S6 S7, so instead of S6 we need to replace it with S36 and here S47. So here you can see S36 and S47, and remaining this 5 remains same, so here it remains same. And coming to 3, so state 3, since this is state 3, here we have state 3 6, right? So when we have 3 and 6, what we need to do is we need to combine these two states. Okay, wherever we have combined states, here also the entries also should be combined for these states. Okay, for 3 and 6 now we need to combine these two, that is S36 then S47. And what about the remaining? Here we have 8 and here we have 9, so we need to combine it as 8 9. Okay, so S36 S47 8 9, here it is 3 6. So for 3 6 it is S36 S47 and 8 9, right? Now coming to 4 7, so 4 7 also it is a combined state. So 4 we have R3 R3, and in 7 we have R3 here, that is in dollar position. Okay, in dollar position we have R3 in for 7, and for 4 we have the R3 in C and D. So now we are going to combine these two states, right? So what we need to do is we have to combine these entries as well. Okay, so for 4 7 In first C we have R3, in D we have 3, and for dollar also we need to include this R3. Okay, and in go to we don't have anything, so no problem, we can leave as it is. So coming to 47, we have added R3, right? Then coming to state 5, in state 5 we have only R1. Okay, so no need of combining anything here in the state, so just taking as it is. Then coming to 6 already over because we already combined it with 3. Then 7 already over, combined with 4. Now we need to combine 8 and 9. Okay, the new state is 8 and 9. So after combining 8 and 9, what we will get? R2, R2 and R2, right? So after combining 8 9, we'll get R2, R2, R2. So this is the parsing table for LALR. That is, we can construct this LALR parsing table from the canonical, I mean from the same way how we constructed the canonical LR parsing table. But the only difference between these two method is we are going to combine the states in LALR, right? And we have reduced the size of the table of LALR table by combining the states, right? So this is what the difference between the LALR and canonical LR parsing table.